guys, Mr. Backberg here. This is part 2 of lesson 3.3. One objective, we are going to use properties of logarithms to either expand or condense some logarithmic expressions. In this first example, we've got log base 4 of 5x cubed y, and we're going to expand out this logarithm using our different properties. So the first thing I see is we've got a couple sets of multiplication going on in here. So I'm going to use that product property to rewrite this using addition. So we've got log base 4 of 5 plus log base 4 of x cubed plus log base 4 of y. Next thing I see is this x cubed has a power on it. So I'm going to use that power property to bring that power down in front. So we've got log base 4 of 5 plus 3 log base 4 of x plus log base 4 of y. I don't think there's any more expanding that we can do. So this is going to be our final answer for this one. In our next example, we've got the natural log of the square root of 3x minus 5 all over 7. Very first thing I see is this division going on. So I'm going to use my quotient property to rewrite this using subtraction. So we've got the natural log of the square root of 3x minus 5 minus the natural log of 7. Now I'm actually going to rewrite this square root as a power. Remember, square root is the same thing as a 1/2 power. So we've got the natural log of 3x minus 5 to the 1/2 power minus the natural log of 7. Then if we use our power property, we can bring that 1/2 down in front. So we've got 1/2 natural log of 3x minus 5 minus the natural log of 7. And I don't think there's any more expanding that we can do with this one, so we'll call this our final answer. Instead of expanding these things out using our different properties, we can also work backwards to condense these down into just a single logarithm. So here we've got 1/2 times the log of x plus 3 times the log of x plus 1. Now what I see going on is we've got numbers out in front. Normally we take powers and bring them out in front, but we're working backwards this time. So I'm going to take this 1/2 and bring it up as a power on our x, and I'm going to take this 3 and bring it up as a power on this x plus 1. Now, with this 1/2 power, I'm actually going to rewrite that as a square root. So this is the log of the square root of x plus log of x plus 1 cubed. And then with this addition, normally we split up multiplication into addition, so we're going to work backwards and we're going to turn this into a multiplication problem with just a single logarithm. So we're going to take the log of the square root of x times this x plus 1 cubed. We have these things put together as just a single logarithm now, so this is going to be our final answer. With our next example, we've got 2 natural log of x plus 2 minus the natural log of x. First thing we'll want to do is use our power property to take this 2 out in front and bring it up as a power on that stuff in parentheses. So we get the natural log of x plus 2 squared minus the natural log of x. Now remember, subtraction is related to division by that quotient property, so we can rewrite these as a single logarithm with that x plus 2 squared on top of a fraction and x on bottom of the fraction. So natural log of x plus 2 squared over x. With this last example, I'm actually going to start inside of these brackets first by looking at this addition. With our product property, we can rewrite that as a multiplication problem. So we've got 1/3 times log base 2 of x times x plus 1. Then with this 1/3 power, we can bring that up as an exponent on here. So log base 2 of x times x plus 1 to the 1/3 power. With this 1/3 power, remember, we can rewrite that as a cube root. So we've got log base 2 of the cube root of x times x plus 1, and we'll call that our final answer on this one. I guess that's it as far as this video goes. Please remember to fill out the Google form linked in the description down below, and thanks for watching.